blizzarding out. We do have a house across the street, but with our 8-foot wall in front of us, you can't see. But it's quite a morning. Okay. Look at where we just came from. It's been up to the dog's belly. Poor puppy, trying to get out. This is the front of my house. I don't know if you can tell how tall these snowbanks are, but I turn around and put myself in front of it. Look at that, how tall they are behind me. Walk down the street a bit. Oh. It's still blizzarding out. My neighbor has already had her driveway plowed. Oh my goodness. It is cold, cold, cold. It's the side of my house. I do have the side. Snow is up to the windows. Down the street link. Come on, let's go. Oh, I think I see the sun trying to come out. Look at that. Wow. It's because the eye is over us, maybe. All right, let's go in, Link. Come on, let's go in. Come on, pal, let's go in. Go. It's still blowing. The wind is pretty bad. Link is going, trying to get in, as am I. The walkway to my house. Oh, door open. All right, you want to go in, Link?
I can't chase him, Karen.
What are you doing? Are you playing with your frisbee? Linky's digging out the bottom of the driveway for you, Dad.